22% profit in 1 month. With an index bot? Yes, and this is a real live account. Let's start with the results. This is the MyFXBook track record for the account. Last month, this account generated a 22.87% monthly return with a maximum drawdown of just 17.07%. And the interesting part is, this is a real live account with a starting balance of only around $100. As you can see, the account is still running, and the equity curve has continued to grow over time. And this isn't just a backtest, these are results from live trading. Now, let's jump into MetaTrader and take a look at the actual account history. Here, you can see the trades executed by the account, including both winning and losing trades. And there's another interesting detail. I've already withdrawn $29 from this account, while the account is still running and continuing to trade. So, how exactly did this small account generate these results? Well, let me show you. The robot behind these trades is Indiora XAUBOT. Indiora is one of the pre-built robots available inside the XAUBOT platform. You don't need to build the strategy yourself or start everything from scratch. The robot is already available on the platform, and you can download it and use it on your own trading account. So let's go into XAUBOT and see exactly how you can find and download Indiora. Alright, now let's see how you can actually get this robot and start testing it yourself. First, we go to XAUBOT.com and click on Start Free Trial. Here, you can choose one of the available plans. And as you can see, there's also a 14-day free trial, so you can test the platform before making any commitment. Once you've created your account, you'll be taken straight to the dashboard. From here, we go to the pre-made robot section, find Indiora, and download the version we want to use. Next, we go to the subscription section and connect the trading account we want to use to the license. Then we simply copy the license key. Now, let's jump into MetaTrader. We open the Expert Advisors section, find Indiora, and drag it onto the US 30 chart. We enable algo trading, enter our license key in the input section, and that's it. The robot is now ready to trade live. But before we leave it running, let's do one final test. I'm going to run a backtest and see how Indiora performs. For this test, I'm using the 2026 period so we can get a more recent picture of the strategy's performance. We started with just $100. The robot generated a total net profit of $179.70, bringing the balance to around $280. The profit factor came in at 2.40, which is a pretty strong number. We had 902 trades in total, and 759 of them were profitable. That's an 84.15% win rate. On the drawdown side, the maximum equity drawdown was around 13%, while the relative equity drawdown was just over 20%. The recovery factor was 5.08, and the Sharpe ratio came in at 3.14. Of course, a backtest is never a guarantee of future performance. Market conditions can change, and live results can always be different. But overall, the results give us a pretty good idea of how the strategy has performed over this test period.